Assalamualaikum, my name is Naida Syara binti Zakaria, my matric number DE1 dan 0020. And now I want to explain about the question 7.1.1. Okay, this is our result we get. Okay, for the table, for the input at 0 as 1, 0 we get the output 1, 10 we get the output 0, 01 we get the output 0, 11 we get the output 0. Okay, for the next question 7.1.2. Okay, this is our result we get. Okay, for the input at 0 as 1, 0 we get the output 0, 01 we get the output 0, 10 we get the output 0, 11 we get the output 1. Okay, for the input at 3, at 4, at 5, 0 we get the output 0, 0 1 we get the output 0, 101 we get the output 0, 100 we get the output 0, 101 we get the output 1, 110 we get the output 0, 111 we get the output 0. Okay, thank you, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor Amira Nabila binti Zamzuri. My matric number is AE180015. So for the question 7.13, as you can see, this is the question. In this question, we have network 1 and network 2. Network 1 contains the X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, and output Y0 and Y1. For network 2, it's contained X6, X7, and output Y2. So we can see the result as network 1 for the contact X1, contact X2, contact X3, contact X4, contact X5, output Y0 and output Y1. When the value is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, the output of Y0 is 0, the output of Y1 is 0. When it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, the output for Y0 is 0 and the output of Y1 is 0. When it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, the output of Y0 is 0, output Y1 is 0. For 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, the output Y0 is 0, the output Y1 is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, output for Y0 is 0, for Y1 is 0. For 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, the output is 0 and the output for Y1 is 0. When the value is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, the output for Y0 is 1 and output for Y1 is 1. For the network 2, I have contact X6, contact X7 and output Y2. When the value is 0, 0, the output is 0. When the value is 0, 1, the output is 1. When the value is 1, 0, the output is 0. When the value is 1, 1, the output is 0. What we can observe from question 1, from question 7.13, there are two networks. For network 1, X2 and X3 are connected in series with X1 after we connected in parallel with X4 and X5. X1 and X3 are generally open, but X2, X4 and X5 are normally closed according to this work. As a result, when X1 and X3 are 1, X2, X4, X5 are 0, Y0 and Y1 are active. The second network has two input, which is X6 and X7. X6 is a normal closed state, while the X7 is normally open state. As a result, X6 equal to 0, X7 equal to 1. The output Y2 will be active. For question 7.14, they only have network 1. So after we get connected, you can see that this is the result. Contact X0, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7, and the output is Y0 is equal to 1, 0 1 0 0 1 0 0, the output we get is 0. When the value is 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0, the output will be 0. When the input is 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0, the output will be 1. When the value of input is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, the output will be 1. What we can observe from this question is S1, S2, S5, S6, and S7 are linked in parallel with S3. Then in series with S3, and S4 and S0 are connected in parallel. In this network, we can see that S1, S3, S4, S6, S7 are generally open, while S0, S2, S5 are normally closed. When S0, S2, S3, S4, S6, and S7 are 1, and S0 and S1 and S5 are both 0, the output Y0 is active.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nofai Committee Muhammad Yassin, metric number DE186016. So I will present for question number 7.3, which is I have to derive the circuit for 7.1.3 to make sure that 0.0 Y0 Y1, which is the output is always on. So this is the program. When I run the program, if I force the X1 on, the output for Y0 and Y1 will always on. So if I also can make X3 on, also the Y0 and Y1 always on. It is because X1 is the first source that get a current flow. So if we force the X1 off, they cannot get a current flows from here because this is the parallel connection. So they cannot connect to the output because here doesn't have current. So if I force on for X7, the current can flow to the output, which is Y2, because X6 is a normally closed state. The current always flow right here. So if I force the X7 off, so the current here stop right here because the situation of the X7 was closed, was open. So the output for the Y2 didn't get it any current right here. Also the same with the Y0 and Y1. That's all for me. Thank you.